Hi techies, welcome back. In this summer camp, 3D printing is one of the domains where we can explore a lot of possibilities and where young minds can come to create, innovate and print their ideas into reality. Dive into the world of the dimensions where patience meets creativity. Our students learn to measure, visualize and design with accuracy and bringing the ideas into life. Manufacturing is no longer for only the big factories. Kids can get hands-on experience with manufacturing process right from designing on board to get into the final product. Discover the latest in printing technologies from FDM to SLA to our students who explore the different 3D printers and physical objects. Get a comprehensive overview of the software that powers 3D printing. Our interactive sessions makes the mastering these tools both in fun and educational. Designing is at the heart of 3D printing. Students will unleash their creativity designing everything from a simple toys to a complex mechanical parts. For an example, here we go with a 3D object. Our students get up close with every part of 3D printing, understanding its functioning and learning how to troubleshoot it like a pro. Join us at Tecky Summer Camp 2024 and let's bring the brightest future together. Teckybot, where technology meets innovation.